This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life. So we are taking down the mizzen sail and replacing it with our new one. And here's our helper, Phoebe. Not that she's helping.
What we do is take it up on the yard later.
And
we take it up on the yard later and fold it the
we
correct
took
way.
the whole sail down, and now we're going to fold it up, and we're going to put a new one.
Look how crisp this thing is. No wonder that chunk was off.
Yeah, the sail was pretty old and crisp. It was easy. It had ripped, and we repaired it.
No wonder the chunk was
getting ready to change out this mainsail. We had a new one. This is the old one, and we have to take it down. Right now Dave is greasing up the bearings so it'll be easier to come up and down inside the mast.
Alright, so put the new north sail on. And they put a sunscreen. See it right here. They put a sunscreen all the way up because the gap in the mango mast is so big. Right,
So Kelly's winding and Dave is guiding.
I want everybody to watch Kelly because this is one of the rare times she actually does some work on the boat here. She doesn't know, but I'm gonna send her up the mast. She'll probably enjoy that.
Yeah, take lots of pictures. So now they are switching. She's going to try the guiding and he's going to do the winding because it's pretty tough. I'm just doing the camera work. Didn't you say the power sail was the foresail?
Well, it's the interaction of the foresail to the mainsail. The mainsail is a wing. And the main power off the wing is on the back of the sail.
Oh.
Like the top of an airplane wing, it's just suction on the back. And the Genoa works to venturi the wind behind it, speed the wind up. And then it's the negative, it's the suction on the back of the mainsail is where the main power is. Now, other than that, the foresail is a bigger sail, so yeah, it has more power. If you're just sailing just the foresail, it has more power than just the mainsail.
Okay.
Which makes it the most powerful sail.
Okay, we're using a piece of Dyneema rope instead of cables because it's just as strong and stronger than cables. The lashing, which is holding it down in the mast. So you can see this, well, not now because the wind shifted, but you can see the different, the sun cover. It's just darker, it's extra on the edge, so that when it is in the sail, in the mast. Alright, here is the main sail. All the way out. Okay, here's the sunny side of the main sail. So I started doing the process of getting the mold that grows every year on this hard dodger. I did this once before, and it's down. It just goes. But anyways, I started doing this using vinegar. So as you can see, the vinegar does a pretty good job of cleaning it. Yeah, I'm going to go back over it. There's some spots that won't come off. I have to go back over it using bleach. But the vinegar gets a lot of it. And so the last time I did this was about a year ago. And it held up pretty good. It started getting really bad like around 10-month mark. And all these ropes that are up here, oh, my little clothesline ropes, we have spread out in the cockpit for drying underwear. Alright, so this is all cleaned as best I could with the vinegar. Did a really good job of getting most of the mold off, the black stuff. Anyway, so I did all this. I had to take that apart. I had to put that together. But next is to do the bleach, a quick wipe down to stop it from growing back. Okay, it's done. I just did a quick wash down of bleach. So that the Dodger and dashboard are done. I have to put the cup holder back and the Ray Marine back. And there's a compass that goes there. I have it taped down because it's not there and it's just an open hole for now. That'll get done.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.